Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Shin Pumasagada Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon, tingnan natin ang nagsasabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is weekly gabay for the month of September 1 hanggang September 8 for the sign of Libra. So, Libra, welcome to my channel. Ano kaya ang messages, advices, kaganapan sa buhay mo ang ating masasagap for today's video? Kanino naman kayang energy or hanash ang ating mahagilap? So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos updates. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, please click nyo na po ang subscribe button dyan sa baba for all bell para updated kayo sa mga videos na i-upload natin every time in every moment. So guys, kumapit-kapit ka dahil ito na ang mensahe ng ating mga gabay. Shuffle muna tayo ng bear light. So, kamusta na ba kayo dyan, T? No, mga ano natin dyan. Comment down below kung saan, taga saan kayo. At, tawag dito, yung birthday nyo po, ha, paki-comment na rin po, no, kung taga saan po kayo. And of course, yung birthday nyo, para at least masasagap yung energy nyo sa mga susunod na panahon. Charis, sa mga susunod na araw. Diba? Kapag nag-reading ako at nakita natin ang birthday at of course, lugar nyo. And of course, yung pangalan na rin kung gusto nyo, in case, diba? Para at least mahagilap natin yan. Kung baka masagap natin ang energy nyo, baka kayo na ang susunod na marireading, diba? This is a general reading lamang, kaya hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. So guys, ito na. Umpisa-umpisahan na. Angel Spirit, please give me information for the sign of Libra. Ano ang pinakamensahe sa inyo ng ating mga gabay? Okay. There's an Ace of Pentacles. There is a big money, a big opportunity na parating sa'yo. Pero sinasabi dito, there's an Eight of Cups. Letting go, moving on. So, kailangan mo munang kumawala, no? Or detach from the situation. Or kailangan mong kumawala sa mga bagay-bagay na alam mo hindi na makakatulong sa'yo. And of course, there's an happiness na magiging masaya ka daw dito in the near future. And of course, there's an Ace of Wands. There's a new beginning. And there's an higher further the lesson learned. Education, values. Na marami ka natutunan from the next past few months or this past few weeks. Sinasabi sa'yo dito na ito mga nangyari sa nakaraan, kumbaga dapat matuto ka na. No? Bago dumating ang lahat, there's a 10 of Pentacles. There's a long-term success and long-term investment. Diba? Pasabog, may finances na parating. There's a Ace of Pentacles. There's a big opportunities, big money coming in na makakatulong sa iyo kung paano ka magiging masaya at magiging maligaya dito. Siksik-liglig nag-uumapaw ata itong biyaya, no? So, what is Ace of Pentacles? Get more information, no? To clarify this reading. Okay, there's a judgment. Oh, pay attention. It's a wake-up call. Sinasabi sa'yo dito na parang kailangan mong pagmasdan o pansinin yung mga bagay-bagay sa paligid mo na makakatulong sa'yo how to grow and expand, diba? So, what is the Ace of Cups? Ace of Cups is the Knight of Wands. So, sinasabi dito slow and steady na kailangan mong kumalma, no? Hindi mo kailangan magmadali, hindi mo kailangan maging pala desisyon, pero kailangan mo magdesisyon. Kumbaga, kailangan mo pagdesisyonan to. Sinasabi na Eight of Cups, letting go, moving on. And of course, fearlessly, dapat hindi ka natatakot. Wala kang takot. Kumbaga, there is a confident. Diba? Confident with the heart na kumbaga handa kang tumalikod sa eksena na to na alam mong hindi siya magkakaroon ng growth and expansion. No? Kumbaga, kailangan mo na magdesisyon as soon as possible. What is the Ten of Cups? What is the Ten of Cups? There's the moon card. There's a truth reveal. May mga katotohanan o may revelasyong ka mailalahad dito. With the Ten of Cups, there's an happiness. So it's either there's a family issues or family related. So there's a revelation. Now there's a listen to your intuitions or dreams. What is the Ace of Wands? Ace of Wands represent the strength card. There's the strongest energy that brings you into the new beginning. So may magandang simula at may panibagong eksena. What is the Hierophant? Hierophant represent at the Hangman. The Hangman, sinasabi dito, there is new perspective. Baguhin mo daw yung perspective mo, yung pananaw mo. Kumbaga, kasi kumbaga kaakibat ng nakaraan mo. Sinasabi sa'yo dito na kailangan mo nang baguhin yung sistema, at the same time yung ways, no? And there's a feeling entrapment or your feeling stuck, no? Sinasabi sa'yo dito, ayun yung nagkukose yung nagiging blockages siya, no? What is the Ten of Pentacles? Angel Spirit Guides. What is the Ten of Pentacles? What is the Ten of Pentacles? There's an Hermit card. Oh, soul searching. Kumbaga ito natin, magkakaroon ka ng enlightenment dito. Kumbaga itong, siguro it's a part of your life or it's a part of your love life. No? Kumbaga, meron kang spiritual enlightenment dito. And long-term success and long-term investment and long-term relationship. Either long-term investment. Kumbaga pagdating din sa finances, no? What is the Ace of Pentacles in the Judgment? What is the Ace of Pentacles in the Judgment? Okay, there's a Page of Swords. There's an information, no? Kumbaga, itong information na to, magdadala sa iyo ng, kumbaga, para excitement. Parang sinasabi sa'yo dito na, kailangan mo humaba ang pasensya mo, kumbaga, kailangan mong protection and of course, hintayin, no, yung mga bagay. Kumbaga, get more informations, clear out, no? Kailangan iklaro mo muna. And of course, parang ayun yung kumbaga, parang yun yung way na parang huwag ka maging pala desisyon. Kailangan mo munang pag-isipan bago mo, yun yung think before you click, no? And of course, what is the Ace of Cups and the Knight of Wands? Okay, Angel Spirit. There's a Ten of Wands. There's a burden. Kaya doon ka nahihirapan no? Kumbaga, masyado ka mainitin ng ulo. Mainitin ng, baka some of you parang gusto mo pala decision or biglaan. So, ayun yung nag-struggle sa'yo. So, what is the Ten of Cups in the Moon card? There's a Knight of Wands. Ibig sabihin dito, there's a vision. So, ibig sabihin dito, itong revelation sa'yo magdadala sa'yo ng optimistic and confident. No? Kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito na strongest energy dito na kumbaga nakikita mo na yung bigger picture of yourself. Even your family. What is the Ace of Wands and the Strength card? There's a King of Swords. Truth behind. No? Kumbaga ito na yung katotohanan. At of course, parang logic ka dito Kumbaga, and of course, parang napataas ang energy dito na parang hindi ka bumabase sa nakaraan, bumabase ka sa kasalukuyan, and of course, bumabase ka sa specific explanation. And of course, bumabase ka na sa, hindi sa conclusion lang, no? Kumbaga, you have a power and there's an authority. And of course, kumbaga, mataas ang mo dito. Okay, matapang ka dito, T. Parang sinasabi dito, tapangan mo or kailangan, kung alam mong nasa tamang wisyo o nasa tamang katotohanan, kailaban mo. What is the Hierophant and the Hangman? And there's a Knight of Swords. Magiging mabilis lang to, T. There's a big changes coming into you. Kailangan mo lang baguhin yung perspective, yung mindset. What is the Ten of Pentacles and the Hermit card? Okay, there's an Emperor. Be mature enough. Okay, stability, control, structure. Kumbaga, ikaw yung magdidesisyon kung paano mo bubuuin ang isang relasyon o isang negosyo, no? Ikaw ang hanapin mo yung strategiya o kailangan mo rin ng disiplina. So, what is the total outcome of this reading? Overall, there's a Devil card, abusive, or there's a negative energy, and of course, there's There's a Seven of Pentacles. There's an harvest time. Kumbaga, making investment, no? Kumbaga, sinasabi sa dito yung hard work mo. Kumbaga, some of you ha, may mga trabaho, negosyo, pero parang ang bagal-bagal sa kanila ng pagpasok ng magandang kapalaran. That because of there's a devil card na may humahad lang or mayroong gumagawa ng way para hindi pumasok ang magandang kapalaran sa inyo. Cleansing, te ha? Mag-cleansing kayo. Ano, see, Knight of Sword. Hindi ka makatulog, hindi ka makapag-isip. There's an anxiety, deception, depression. No? Parang piling mo gulong-gulo ka. So, pag gano'n na yung, yung nararamdaman mo, kailangan mo mag-cleansing, ha? What is the total outcome overall? Okay, there's a Two of Cups. There's a partnership. There's a unified love. At the same time, there's a King of Pentacles, security. So, seguridad, no? Kailangan mo na seguridad pagdating sa finances, relationship, health. Big sabihin talaga dito na parang may naiinggit sa'yo, family related or sa family issues. Sinasabi sa'yo dito na kailangan mong maging maingat. And of course, i-secure yung mga bagay-bagay sa'yo, lalo-lalo na yung partnership, no? Inggitera, may mga naiinggit sa'yo behind your back. At the same time, yung nag-cause ng anxiety and depression and stress sa'yo. Kumbaga, ginagawan ka ng kumbaga, binablock nito yung mga hinaharang niya, not totally a block, hinaharang niya para bumagal yung pasok sa inyo ng magandang kapalaran. So, ibig sabihin dito, cleansing ka para at least magtuloy-tuloy siya, para hindi siya yung pag-aharang niya, hindi siya mag-cause sa'yo. So, it means, kailangan mo lang mag-cleansing para kumbaga sa tubig, nawawash out lahat ng mga gawa niya. Ganun yun, te, ha? So, ibig sabihin, mag-cleansing, o mag-pray always, even matutulog na, no? Kailangan nyo magkaroon ng pondo at magkaroon ng pondo at debosyon. My goodness. So, what is Love Oracle card and the Angel Spirit messages? What is the Love Oracle card and the Angel's messages? There's a cassette, no? Replaying. Ibig sabihin dito na, kumbaga, babalik-balik ka ng eksena. Sinasabi lang sa'yo dito na mag-ingat ka. No? Over in your head. Kumbaga, parang ipapaulit-ulit to sa isip mo, no? Kumbaga, kailangan mo na, there's a sunglasses. Kumbaga talaga there's a watching and looking, stalking on you, no? Kumbaga talagang may sumusubaybay sa iyo, no? Tinitignan ko magkakamali ka. Mga inggitera. So what is the energy? So what is this energy? Angel Spirit Guides. There's the Sun card. Diba? Magkakaroon ka ng positive energy dito with positive outcome. And there's the Word card. Travel. And there's a success coming your way. At the same time, there's a blossom. There's a door to the personal healing and happiness. Magiging masaya at maligaya ka dito, nag-uumapaw, bubuksan ng pinto para sa tagumpay. What is Angel's number? May kagalingan ka dito, ha? Healing and happiness that brings you a success. Charis. And of course, sinasabi dito, there's a 9. I am compassionate. It's your compassion that makes you shine. You are devoted to helping the greater good and have a strong talent for speaking up for others. Your soul is most satisfied when you are being of service. So, ibig sabihin talaga, kumbaga, compassionate ka sa ginagawa mo, even na tumutulong ka sa ibang tao, kumbaga, gano'n, kumbaga, nagsiserve ka, some of you, there's a public servant. So, what is additional messages? For chakra, angel spirit, there's a soulmate, wow. Kaya pala may unified love, it's that because of may soulmate connection dito. Okay, additional messages. There's a guest. Maraming kumbaga sa mga kumbaga sa palabas or drama or something na teleserye, may mga kontrabida, 'di ba? There's a workaholic. Maraming mga guests. And of course, there's a workaholic. Kumbaga, napaka-tutok kapag dating sa business at trabaho mo, no? So, what is additional messages? And there's a crystal. O some of you kumbaga kailangan nyo ng crystal stone or gemstone, makakatulong daw sa inyo to for healing energy. So what is additional messages? Okay guys, there's talk to your angels. Ibig sabihin dito, kausapin nyo rin yung mga gabay mo, even your spirit guides, your inner voice, no? So what is additional messages? Oh my goodness. What is additional messages? What is additional messages? Oh, there's a fear. Alisin mo lang daw yung takot at pangamba mo, ha? Laban lang ng laban sa hamon ng buhay. And of course, there's an happiness. Don't you worry. Sa dami mong sakripisyo at dami mong obstacle, dami failure, there's an happiness behind. May nakatagong kasiyahan at kaligayahan na nag-aantay sa'yo para sa kinabukasan. And of course, your home is protected by angels. So, sinasabi dito na Archangel Michael na pinaprotektahan daw ng ating angel spirit ang inyong tahanan. So, kapit-kapit at patuloy na ginagabayan. And of course, sinasabi dito, decide to be happy now. There's a happiness talaga, ha? Para sinasabi dito, maging masaya ka. Kasi, the more na nagiging masaya ka, nang gigigil sila. Parang ganun yung sinasabi dito. No? Kailangan maging masaya ka lang. And of course, comfort and forgiveness support, no? Kailangan mong bitawan, pakawalan ang mga bagay na alam mong hindi magsiserve sa'yo. And of course, there's an abundance preparing in harvest time. Kumbaga, magkakaroon ka ng harvest time in the next few months, in the next few weeks, na kumbaga, itong linggong to ang magbibigay sa'yo ng pagbabago at talagang uulanin ka at talagang mag-harvest ka. This month for this September is ultimate ultimate transitions or transition and transformation, and there's a major shift, no? Kumbaga itong buwan na to ang magsisilbing pagbabago. And there's an adaptivity and personal power. Kaya mapapansin nyo, kumbaga ngayong September na to, parang may mga pagbabago or instances sa buhay nyo na bigla ang nag-ship out. Yung bigla ang nagbabago. Decision man yan, or there's an unexpected moment. So what is Jesus' loving quotes? Jesus' loving quote said, "Well done, do good and faithful servant." Ibig sabihin dito, natapos na, no? Maglingkod ka na at maging mabuti kang tao. So, what is messages of life? Parang sinasabi dito na pinagkakaloob na sa'yo or yung pagkakaloob na sa'yo, no? What is the messages of life? Okay, searching within. What I see outside myself is simply a mirror of my inner self. Today, I empower myself by looking past outer conditions and searching within for me the source of difficulties in my life. My inner wisdom will always help me face life challenges and provides my best answer and my greatest healing. And as I study myself, I am transformed. See? There is a transformations coming into you na mangyayari ngayong linggong to. Kumbaga, kumapit ka, itong pagbabago ay magdadala sa'yo ng kumbaga, happiness and contentment. No? Kumbaga, kumapit ka, there's a personal healing and happiness coming in for you. So, this is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel or hit notification bell for more videos update. This is a weekly gabay for the month of September 1 hanggang September 8 for the sign of Libra. Maraming salamat Libra for your wonderful reading and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!